Hello and welcome to you. In this part, I will learn how to work with disks and console sections in the launch disk. First, we enter the ticket game section, and as you can see, you can view a list of the tickets you have. In this text box, you should write the name of the person playing. Next, enter the number of tickets the person wants. Then confirm how much money you want to collect from the user. This information will be recorded and displayed in the statistics section. The next part is about the consoles. Currently, we have two PS5 consoles here, one of which has a reverse send button activated and the other doesn't. If you have question about what the reverse send button does, you can refer to the console setting video. In these three sections in front of this PS5, you need to enter your player's name in one of them, and in the next two sections, you should enter the amount of money the player has paid to play and the number of the controllers the player has requested. By clicking on the button at the end, some sections will change. In the first section, you can find and select the previously registered player by clicking on the list option, and the money the person paid and debt amount will be displayed in the next two sections. The number of players is the same as in the previous section. When you start the first one, you will see that the time counts down because we haven't activated the reverse send button. But in the second PS5, the count goes up. Below your player's name, you can see which one is a guest and which one is a registered user. When you stop, you can change the entry time, the number of players, and even transfer the player to another game or disk by clicking the switch option. With the next two options, you can restart, and even if another player doesn't wish to continue, you can process the payment at that moment. In the switch section, you need to specify your disk or console name for the transfer to take place. Here, if you click on the shop section, you can request your user to purchase, specifying with the two options below whether you can sell at that moment or pay in the game. In the last section, which is pay, you can see the amount displayed in this list. In the lower parts, you can choose the payment methods. You can also use the next option to record the amount as a debit. You can use the next button to specify whether or not to print an invoice. You can also record information about what the user has done in the description. Finally, the pay option is complete. Just like in the previous section, all of this is displayed in the statistics section. By clicking on each of them, you can view the necessary information. And the disk section is exactly like the console section.